Hello guys! Diyan na pala kayo. So today with how to cook with Chef Ina. Wala akong naisip na lulutuin. Pero medyo ito-challenge ko yung sarili ko na lang. Today, titingin tayo doon sa loob ng ref at titingnan natin ano ba kayang pwedeng lutuin. Alam ko madalas problema nyo yan eh. Kaya makikirelate ako sa inyo dahil lagi ko rin problema yan. Kasi lagi akong gutom at lagi kong gustong magluto. So gawin natin yan today. Okay? Ano kayang masarap iluto sa ref nyo na pwede natin gawin as easy as 1, 2, 3. Tingnan natin kung anong tira-tira ng magulang ko. Walang laman. Repolyo. Buo pa. Cake. Parang hindi yata masarap na combination yun. Longganisa. Adobo. Tingnan natin ano pwede natin gawin sa repolyo at adobo. Repolyo at adobo. Siyempre ang konti naman kung pagsasamahin lang natin silang dalawa. Let's make it into a snack. Tingnan natin. Okay, tingnan natin. Dagdagan natin isang ingredient. Meron ako nakitang itlog sa ref ng magulang ko. Tingnan natin kung sa itlog, repolyo at adobo may magagawa na tayo. Magic! Dumami ang ingredients natin. Nagdagdag lang ako ng mantika. So, flour. Hindi na ako sa ref tumingin. Tumingin na ako dun sa dirty kitchen. And kanina, itlog. Okay? At syempre, salt. Okay? So, kung sa Japanese, merong Japanese Okonomiyaki. At meron ding Thai pancake, meron din Korean pancake. Subukan natin gumawa ng Filipino pancake. Dahil yan sa ating adobo. Okay? So, paano gumawa ng Filipino pancake by Chef Ina? Okay? So, gumawa ako dito na ng batter. Okay? Ng pancake batter. So, this is just, cameraman, please zoom. This is just water. 300 grams of water, 1 1/2 cup of flour, and 3 pieces of egg. Okay, whole eggs. And pinch of salt. Okay, so pinaghalo-halo ko na sila at ni-stir ko na sila. So hindi ko sila masyado ni-stir. Hindi ko masyado, well, it's fully incorporated in the liquid, but I wanna not put in too much air. Okay? Wala masyadong bubbles para mamaya mas mag-stick niya together yung ating cabbage. Okay? Now, let's cut the cabbage. Tatago ko lang yung props ko. So, let's cut the cabbage. I cut it in half already. So, and then take out the core. Okay, take out the core. Take out the outside layer kasi usually yan yung madumi. Ayan yung hinahawakan. Okay, so check. And then, just cut it into small chunks. Like that, like cubes. Okay, cut it like that. Like that. Okay, so this small, depends to you, pwede rin pakaba, bahala ka. Then after that, you wash it. So let's do that until dito sa isang buong cabbage na. So the cabbage are now washed, let's transfer it to a plate. Next, the adobo. Make sure your hands are clean. Okay. And this is adobong chicken because my parents are in a strict diet. So, hindi namin sila pinapakain ng kapatid ko ng pork, beef. As you know, they're senior citizens already. Medyo matanda na, mahirap na yung i-digest. And also, not only for them, para sa amin din. iwas-iwas sa pork. Mantika. So there. So do this to your tira-tirang adobo. Just get the laman. Siyempre ayaw natin na may makain tayong buto. Okay. So now that you have the chunks of adobo, just slice it coarsely. Okay, para sa malaking part. Para later on, when we eat our pancake, bawat kagat natin merong bits ng adobo. Alright. Now, let's add them together. Ganun kadali. Okay. So, let's make the batter. One ladle, this is about 180 grams. Put it in a bowl. Okay. Let's make it 2. Okay. Then, let's put our cabbage. And then some of our adobo. And then let's mix together. Now let's turn on our heat. Let's put some oil. Just enough para lang hindi dumikit yung ating okonomiyaki. Okay? So, let's wait it up to heat up a little bit. Now, let's put it on medium heat. Okay? Not so hot. Let's put our okonomiyaki. Shape it into a round shape. Okay, so let's just wait until mabuo or maluto yung ilalim. Alright? So we're trying to build the crust underneath and the crust sa gilid. Okay, para wag siyang mag-break. So, how do we know that it's okay na to flip on the other side? When, there you go, malapit na to. Nabubuo na siya. Can you see that? It's starting moving together. Okay, so medyo malapit na siyang maluto. Okay, but if you see, mahirap siyang i-flip because it's thick. So, para to be sure na hindi tayo magkakamali, we're going to use another pan. One additional technique. Okay? Kasi, it's easy to flip if it's small, but I made a giant pancake. Okay, so let's heat up the other pan. Let's heat it up. Put again oil, a bit of oil. Okay, let it heat up. Okay, and when it's ready, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? A 1, a 2, a 3. There you go. Look at that. Perfect pancake. And let's cook the other side. So let's just turn it up to medium heat para hindi masunog ang the other side of the pancake. So to check if your pancake is done, just check the outside here. So it should be crispy. So dapat ginawa niya medyo crispy yung outside para maganda yung texture niya. Okay? So let's put it already in a clean plate. Okay? And let's transfer. Ito rin natin. 1, 2, 3. Ah, look at that, guys. Perfect. And it smells so good. Okay. Before we finish, let's reheat this because I will need to get the sauce. Okay? Let's extract some sauce from this. Add some water. Sunod tayo ng sauce. Pacham na naman itong ginagawa ko. Sana masarap. Pacham is pacham na.
Chamba, 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 chamba.
So, let's get the sauce. Pagdalhin natin yung mayroon pang itlog dito. Sarap pagkakin ito mamaya. Okay. Okay. Let's add more water. Hi, Mami! Ayaw ang Mami ka sumama sa video. Let's add a little bit of, di pa daw siya nagpa-hair and makeup, ayaw sumama sa loob ng. Let's add a bit of soy sauce for color. And then, onti pang suka. Kailangan muna natin siya mag-boil. Alright. So, let's get first the bay leaf. Add it there. Let's put in our food processor again. Turn it into paste. So our adobo sauce with little bit of meat inside. Actually, there's a little bit of gizzard. May gizzard kasing adobo natin. And then, what can we put? No. Let's put some Japanese mayo. You know, I love Japanese mayo more than the usual we have here in the Philippines. Because it's really flavorful. Okay. Konti lang. If you don't have, you can use the regular mayonnaise. And then just mix it together. And let's plate our Filipino pancake. This is one of my favorites garnish kasi kanina, di ba, parang dull yung color ngayon. Look at that. It's now alive. And there you have it. Filipino pancake a la Chef Ina. So this is just again adobo, tira-tirang adobo, repolyo na hindi ginagamit, itlog at some harina, asin at tubig. Subukan natin. Let's try. Ang sarap. Excited na ako patikim to sa magulang ko. Yung flavors niya, may texture pa sa loob because of the repolyo. And then the flavor of adobo is still there. Sobrang sarap. Pwede nga ata itong ulam. Hindi lang merienda. So, thank you for watching How to Cook with Chef Ina. Sa uulitin, please like and subscribe to my page.